Hello, Tony Barrett, TV News. I got some news. United Airlines employee was going to TSA Checkpoint and had a firearm in his bag. He told the LAX airport police he was coming back from a camping trip and forgot the firearm. I wasn't there. It was early in the morning, and this was sent to me by a secret source. But it happens to everybody, even LAX, not LAX, United Airlines employees. It happened at Terminal 7 the other day at 8 o'clock in the morning. And I thank my source for sending me this video. I wish I was there to tape this. But it happens to a lot of folks, celebrities, regular passengers, and even airline employees. So this is amazing to me. And again, thank you for the photos.